Yada Industrial Select Premium 4+ year mature bamboo from 666 hectares of forest, dense fibers and extreme toughness. Selected bamboo goes into auto cutter, cut to same length according to the setup. For uniform later use. Robotic arm moves bamboo segments to splitter. Multi-blade machine cuts them into same thickness pieces. Uniform bamboo pieces go into shaping machine via mechanical claws. High-speed special tools peel and cut them into thin round sticks. Strips are bundled and dried in industrial ovens. Strips are cut into various lengths for sparkler sticks. Bamboo sparklers cut, bagged, and weight checked. Consistency in every pack. Then neatly stack and store them in the warehouse. By product type and order number for easy management. Upon receiving an outbound order, forklift operators retrieve specified finished goods from warehouse shelves per order details. Pack them into containers, which are then weighed and shipped to the customer's designated destination.